far. Next up, we'll go back to these in a little bit. We're going to go to pages. So if you notice, this is our home page, but let's say we want to add a page. Let's add a subpage. And so we talked about dogs. Well, let's say we're going to add a subpage called, let's go puppies. Boom. So here's our puppies subpage. Now, let's say another one of our pages is also going to be about adult dogs. Okay. So if you noticed, as of right now, this got linked to here. Oh, I apologize. So if you notice now, we have home. We have two different pages. And so you'll notice that up the top here, if you go to our home page, they'll have two different options here, puppies and adult dogs. Now the menus up here, and this is something I strongly recommend, is navigation mode. Hit to the side, and that'll make sure that it'll be a drop down menu here. It just looks better aesthetically, and it'll help your page be a little bit more clear. Now one thing that we haven't done yet that we'll go ahead and do is enter a site name. Let's just call this dogs. Perfect. Now, let's say if we're going to talk about puppies, let's say we're just going to add another subpage. So I have my home page. I have two different pages. I have puppies and adult dogs. Now in the puppy section, we're going to talk about large puppies and we can add another one, and small puppies. And the adult dogs, if you notice, we click these 3 colons. We click add a sub page. Large adult dogs. And I'm clicking again here, not the home one, but here, so that way I know it's part of this one. Add a sub page, small adult dogs. Okay. Now let's say, for example, you decided you don't want to talk about large puppies because all puppies are kind of small. So you can either delete this, or you click properties and you can rename it, and you could say chubby cute puppies. So again, you have different options that you can use to add these different pages.